Good morning, guys. I have this Chrysler now, C300, and maybe if you guys seen, looks like a little damage, because maybe you guys think it's just changed the bumper and the motors, and that's I thought before. But I'm gonna show you guys something. The line is good, everything is good. If you guys see here, you guys looking here, the little big gap, and look at that. The bottom for the body frame, the trunk is go inside, and the top go out, and the trunk is now closed. Then I need to put the bottom out and change the whole piece out. This whole frame, I need to take it out. The grabs in the place, the chains in the place, the chains for the frame machine is in the place too. So I can pull it out now. I'm gonna start doing now. When you guys make everything ready, you guys need to make space. Like I took it off the wire side, outside, as you can see, but come two wires here, take it off for inside, and that's it, guys. Hey guys, now I took the body panel for the back. I have this part where I can take it out. If you guys can see, I have a welder here on the seam sealer. The seam sealer is in the top for the welder. Then I need to take the seam sealer off where I can see the welders, and I have welders inside too. I need to take everything off, every welder off, where I can take these pieces off too. Let's go. I have this tool piece for you. You can cut these tools you guys need. I like mag tools, and some I think you guys need a protection too. You guys can use the over not just your eyes, but I already put this body panel, then I use this machine. It's very good. It's very good for you. You can do the factory welder, and so you can do the spy welder too. It's more fast, and I don't know if you guys can see. It's like the same the welder for the factory, make more easy, more faster. Now I prepare for put the other body panel for the back, and that's it. I already did welder. I already put the seam seated.